CBS 4's Ty Russell is live in Miami Beach, one of the first cities to enforce strict measures with reaction. Ty.
Today, Lauren and Elliot, the mayor of Miami Beach, is echoing a similar message we've heard from other leaders throughout South Florida, that the trend is good, yes. However, numbers are still too high. So he wants people to continue getting tested and making sure that they wear their facial coverings to continue to see the rate of cases decrease. When it comes to cases, Miami Beach ranks 28th compared to other cities in the state. City Mayor Dan Gelber says he's seeing the infection rate drop.
Well, our numbers from our residents' perspective are going down and have never been as high as other parts of the county.
When nice sunny weather mixed with the popular beaches, he welcomes visitors but wants to make sure everyone is safe.
Our city is sort of a playground for other areas, so 92,000 residents in the morning, we could have 200,000, in the city by the evening.
People are still stopping by testing sites like this one near the Miami Beach Convention Center. Some chose to drive through, others walked up. Countywide, numbers are showing more and more people who are testing are getting negative results.
The numbers may be going down in the region, but they're not where they should be. We're better, but we're not good at all.
The Florida Department of Health has recorded a 2-week average positivity rate of 14.6% for Miami-Dade. Broward's 2-week average is 10.7%. Medical experts say that's still a sign there's too much virus in the community.
And New York is just thinking about opening the schools, and their rate is under 1%. So think about that. The virus has to substantially subside.
The number of COVID-19 patients in the hospital is dropping. However, hundreds are still fighting for their lives. In Miami-Dade, close to 430 people are in the ICU battling COVID-19. More than 300 of them are on a ventilator. In Broward, numbers show more than 440 adults are in the ICU. It's unclear how many have coronavirus and are on a ventilator.
And that's going to take a bit more time. People need to keep wearing their masks and exercising physical distancing, because that's the only way we will have a shot at opening up.
And with the weather being like it was today, the mayor expects the city to continue being a playground for many people heading out to the water to cool off. But he says make sure you're wearing your facial coverings if you're around people that you don't live with, or make sure you keep your distance away from them. We are live in Miami Beach. I'm Ty Russell, CBS 4 News.